Hey, what's up with YouTube? Dave Kusternet here. So I got some more goodies to open for you guys. So I'll start out with Legendary Collection China. Today I'm opening up some more stuff. Today I'm opening up another Code the Duels Legendary Collection. Special edition. Last special edition I opened, I did not get Firewall. I wanted to use this because it's all that stuff for some weird reason, don't know why. Alright, okay. Let's see, I got the same two cards as the last time. Solid Strike and Cyber's Beacon. Alright. Firewall Dragon. Can I get one? Or will I have to wait for the Megatons? I really don't want to have to wait for the Megatons. I really don't want to have to wait. Alright. So we got FA Grand Prix. Boogie Trap. Jane the Twilight Sworn General. Alright, cool. First up. Wait, sweet. So for our foil. It's for our foil, I guess? We got, Doki Twist Cobra. Spring King Dragon Odd Eyes for our rare. Three Strikes Barrier. Huh. Abyss Actor Trendy Understudy. Inferi Patriarch. And Samurai Skull. Alright, let's see what we get with this pack. Zombina. Jane the Twilight Sworn General. Launch Commander. World Legacy. His Heart. D. Wave High King Caesar. Supreme King Dragon Dark Rebellion for our rare. Orbital Highlander. Gravity Lash. And Twilight Twin Dragons. Alright. Last pack. Can we end with a Firewall Dragon card? Let's see. I really don't want to wait for the. I really don't want to have to wait for the Megatons to come out. If Firewall gets a reprint in that. All right, let's see what we got. All right, my first Speedroid. Speedroid Passing Glider. Junk Breaker. DD Vice Typhon. And March of the Dark Brigade. Imduk the World Chalice Dragon. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Follow Your Horse, got plus of those. FA Downforce. Orbital Highlander, Gravity Lash, but no Firewall Dragon. Damn! Again, no Firewall. Oh well. But that's not the only that's not the only opening tonight, no. I've been on this thing for a while now. I thought I opened it. Thought about it since I finally got paid. That is the Legend of Zelda wired controller for the Nintendo Switch. And look at that! That is an awesome design. You're forgetting this was all screwed up. God, where's my screwdriver at? Damn tape! This is why I hate tape sometimes. Man, I love it. Tape's good and handy, but not when you got something you need to open. Cord. Alright. Time for the Big Daddy himself. Alright. Oh my god, this thing looks beautiful. Seriously, look at this thing. It's got Link, the wings of the Triforce. This is awesome. I'm loving this thing. USB cord, so it can charge. And also plug in. I guess I need this to actually play the game on the when it's in TV mode. Trigger buttons, shoulder buttons, A, B, X, Y. Plus and minus, home, the camera, home, control pad, sticks, and again, cord. So yeah, found my own thing for quite a while now. So I'm glad I'm finally able to get one. As for the packs, disappointed that we didn't get. It's this one where we got one Link monster and it's a rare. But you know, what? I'm happy. You know, I got this thing. So it is really hot. It is actually 79 degrees. So it's not that bad, but still it's pretty hot for me. I'm sitting around sweating because I got the light on. Got two fans going. But, yeah, so. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for you tonight. Probably going to get my usual anime review out of Season 2, Episode 2, Overlord of Vampire. So, probably just going to wait. So, you're probably going to wait to the weekend for that. Peace. The thing is, I'll make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Anyway, peace out.